wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a deeper clean of my kitchen. I also have to declutter some drawers and hopefully reorganize, because you know how it starts to get to the point when you're cooking and you can't find what you're looking for, or when you open up the cabinets and things just start falling on your face. First, I wanted to show you these t-shirts that were sent to me by Thread Tank. You guys, when Thread Tank contacted me, I got super excited because I love their t-shirts. I'm in the bathroom now, but I figure this is the best way for me to show you. This is the first t-shirt that I have on. It says, "Then God created a woman." I love it. I got this t-shirt in the Heather Rouge color. Actually, I got all the t-shirts in the Heather Rouge color, so I'm going to show you the other ones. So basically, Thread Tank's motto is stories that you can wear. This is the other t-shirt that I got, which is "Walking with the Lord is my cardio." And mother, like, you know, the show Friends, but just mother instead. So the material is super soft, and you know, you guys see me always wearing leggings and a t-shirt, so I'm super excited to wear it. And of course, this is like one of my favorite colors to wear because it also matches with my glasses. So I will be linking each t-shirt that I got and the discount code down in the description box, so just in case you want to go check it out. I am in love. I love the color. And today I am bringing you double the cleaning motivation because this video is in collab with Bia Nicole. You guys, I love her channel and I know you will as well, so I will let her introduce herself right here.
What's up guys, my name is Nia and I'm a working mom with a 2.5-year-old little girl named Riley. On my channel, I post tons of cleaning, organization, and lifestyle videos to inspire the everyday working mom, balance life, and tackle your to-do list. After watching Yesenia's video, I would love it if you came over to my channel and consider subscribing. I would love to have you. Make sure to leave a comment introducing yourselves because I love chatting with you guys and getting to know you better.
I will be making sure that I link Nia's channel down in the description box. You guys will love her channel. So the first thing I'm going to do is put the breakfast dishes in the dishwasher before I get to the cabinets and drawers. Show you the problem that I have behind the cabinets. I just want to be able to organize it a lot better. As you can see, everything's all over the place, so I'm about to fix that right now. Basically, the cabinets with the foods was the ones that needed to be reorganized because the plates and the cups, I actually do stay on top of that, and I did not need to declutter or organize. But when I am cooking and I'm looking for an item or ingredient, sorry, I basically don't put it back where it's supposed to go, and then it gets all cluttered up in there. Or sometimes when I need an ingredient out and I can't find it, I will go ahead and just buy a new one, and then when I don't need it, I will find it again. So what I like to do is I like to take down one shelf at a time. I don't like taking everything down and then working, because that method would literally give me anxiety. That's why the KonMari method doesn't really work for me, because I don't like taking everything out all at once. So I try to do little by little. So I actually found these jars at the Goodwill. If I'm looking for jars or anything like that, I go to the Goodwill first, because these jars, I went online and these jars are kind of expensive. I got lucky that as soon as I found them, I grabbed all the ones that they had. So they're pretty expensive online, but I was able to pay for like $1 something per jar. Like the big one was maybe $2, and I found them like 2-3 years ago. No one else
universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah, yeah. You and me, written in the stars. I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
This is what it ended up looking like. I had to throw a few things in the trash, not much, but a few. These jars actually come from the Goodwill. I bought it 2 years ago and all of them came from the Goodwill. Some of them, like that one right there, came from Dollar Tree. And then this one is a classical spaghetti jar. I like to say spaghetti jars for stuff like this, but I prefer to keep the pasta in jars and just taking them out of the box so that could save me a lot of space. I got these containers from Walmart. This is from Dollar Tree. And I literally drink this every single day with a big cup of water every morning. But everything else it looks a lot better than it was what it was looking like before, that's for sure.
Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be.
Okay, so full transparency here. I just found like these hot dog buns. I don't know how long they've been in the top shelf over there. Why was it there? I don't know. You see it's molded and stuff. All the way at the top.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing Now we're over, that's a fact. Phrasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Oh, like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, can save us, can save us. Oh, nothing you.
The reason I went down that cabinet is because of the fact that because it's right over top of the stove, this cabinet gets super dirty, and then the grease, it gets greasy mainly, and then the grease and the dust sticks together and it turns brown all the way at the top. But it didn't have, and then the inside gets super dirty and greasy as well. But this is what I have in here because I actually have the cabinet space. It's just I had it filled with a bunch of junk. The cabinet is pretty organized. I don't really have to do much in here. So now I'm gonna get started on the drawers that need a little help. This drawer I keep microfiber cloths and kitchen towels.
Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real?
As you can see, this is definitely a junk drawer. I took a lot of the cords and stuff out that didn't belong in there, and I put them all in the bag for my husband to find a place for.
You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels so unreal. We lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. With us, nothing moves forward. It just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Thought we stayed together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you. If you think about me, are we thinking this through? If we're not meant to be, and you're doubting in me, tell me what shall we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face. Say it to my face. Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels so unreal. We lost all ambition, but worthy acclaim. With us, nothing moves forward. It just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Thought we would be together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you. Think about me. Are we thinking this through? If we know meant to be, and you're doubting in me, tell me what shall we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face. Say it to my face. Think about me. Are we thinking this? Are we thinking this? If we know meant to be, giving up in me, tell me what shall we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face. Say it to my face. Say it to my face. Oh, I got to know. Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Have we changed?
Right here, I'm looking through the knives and things that I don't normally use or I have multiple of so I can donate. Some of the knives I did donate, but when I donate knives, I wrap them up in a plastic bag, and they also have the cover on them. I just They're the ones that don't use like a lobster knife. How often do I eat lobster? Not often.
Desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air. That's how I roll.
Everything else is pretty organized. I do try to stay on top of it, but what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to wipe down the counters and then I'm gonna sweep and mop.
I got change to throw, I don't care about no gold. Better, so much better, flipping incredible. Always on the show so they know that I still got it. And I never feel sorry, yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. When I hear him come like my fuse and then ba-bum. Later, see you later, I'm about to blow this up. You can sing my song if you want, I know you want it. It's always kinda funny, yeah, cause you I know I'm a superstar on the sky to lead you on. Haters gonna hate, it's a proof of how they love. They can bring me down, nah. They are jealous of me and my umbrella, yeah, they love me so. This is me, I'm so royal, and you all wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion. Royal, top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. This is me, I'm so royal, and you all wanna be round. And you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion. So royal, I'm so royal. This is me, I'm so royal.
That is all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning and organizing motivation. Don't forget to go over to Nia's channel and check her out. I will definitely be making sure to link her channel down in the description box. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not done so already, and keep a lookout for the next videos, guys. Bye.
You just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true.